Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the check rootkit command. It's a command that examines your system for rootkits, generally malicious software that enables unauthorized access to the system. To use check rootkit, you have to be root or use sudo and expect to see a lot of output. Most of it will look like these lines here. It's just a sample. And in this case, the not infected, not found, nothing found indicators here mean that there are no problems. There's going to be a lot more output than this screenfuls. To run check rootkit quietly in quiet mode, just use the -Q. That will show you only those things that the tool believes are suspicious. You'll see maybe lines like this. In this case, we see some suspicious files or directories. These are all directories that are seen as suspicious because the directories start with dots like this, as if they were intended to be hidden. We also see down here some problems because the TTY of the following processes is not in the var run utemp file. In this case, they're not there because the user is the display manager. So the fact that that user is not currently logged in is not a problem. These errors that we see here, or these problems, are really all false positives. And I hope you have similar output when you run check rootkit. Well, that's your Linux tip for the check rootkit command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.